Baik, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, how are you today? Okay, my name is Ismail Soleh kaban. Names is 11190170000050. Now we will learn about sequence. First, what is a sequence? Next, okay. Sequence is a list of things, usually number, that are in order. Example, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, and it is 1 is first term, 4 is second term, 7 is third term, 10 is fourth term, 30 is fifth term, and it is. Okay, next. Next is notation. Notation sequence also use the same notation as such. List each element separates by a comma, and then put curly bracket around the whole things. Example, 3, 5, 7, 9, and it is 3, 5, 7, 8 is number of element of sequence, and this word is parts and comma la and the curly brackets around the wall things. Okay, next is infinite, finite, and set sequence. One in 1, 3, 5, 7, and etc. It's a infinite sequence because it's not dot or etc are unlimited. Second is 2, 5, 8, and 11 is finite sequence because only 4 and limited. 4 and limited. Next, A, B, C, D, E is alphabetically because follow is and limited. Last, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, and etc is the sequence of alternative or 0, 1, and 2. Sorry, is 0, 1, and 2. The set is just 0, 1, and 2. Okay, next are rows and formula sequence. A sequence usually has a rule, which is a way to find the value of each term. Example, the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. start at 2 and jumps to every time. And look is 2 jump 2 is 4. 4 jump 2 is 6. 6 jump 2 is 8. X plus jump 2 is 10. And 10 jump 2 is 12. 12 is x. Next. So when can a rule for 5? 8, 11, and blah 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 b. Firstly, we can see the sequence goes up to every time. So we can guess that a rule is something like times 3 times n, where n is the damn number. Let's test it out. 1, n is 1, 2, and 3. And terminator is 5, 8, and 11. Test rule. Test rule is treat n. Treat n where is because is 5 and 8 is different is 3. 8 and 11 is different 3. And test rule is 3n. Now 3.1 is 3. 3.2 is 6. And 3.3 is 9. 5 to 3 is different plus 2. 8 to 6 is difference plus 2. And 11 to 9 is different plus 2. And test roll is 3n plus 2 is 3.1 plus 2 is 5. 3.2 plus 2 is 8. And 3.3 plus 2 is 11. So instead of science starts at 5 and jumps 3 every time we write this 3 and plus 2. Okay, next in arithmetic sequence. In an arithmetic sequence, the difference between under and the next is a constant. In general, we can write an arithmetic sequence like this. A plus B, is comma, A plus 2B, A plus 3B, etc. Where is A is the first term and B is the difference between the terms called the common difference. And we can make the rule UN is A plus n minus 1 B. We use n minus 1 because B is not used in the first term. Okay. Example. In the performance hall, chairs are arranged with 10 in the front row, 15 in the second row, and 18 in the third row, and so on, always increasing by 4. The number of chairs in the 20th row is okay. Now equal to 10 chairs. B equal to 14 minus 10 is 4 chairs. And there are 20 rows of sides. As sequence of 20 is blah blah blah. Okay, answer formula is UN is A plus n minus 1 B. Input A is 10 and is 20 and B is 4. Then it becomes 10 plus in bracket n minus 1 time B equal to 12 is 10 plus 19.4. Okay, is 10 plus 76 is 86. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.